For this video, I am going to teach you how to generate or create a QR code using Adobe Express. So the process is pretty straightforward, and the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and type in express.adobe.com in your address bar. And then once you are in the website, what you need to do is to locate this generate QR code feature on the center part of your screen. So once you click on it, this page will pop up. So then what you need to do is to simply or on this section right here, what you need to do is to paste the URL or the link that you want to create the QR code for. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to create a QR code for the YouTube. So for to make this really simple, so now once you have typed in or pasted the link on this section, then it will automatically create a QR code for you. So then you have two options. So you can download your QR code or you can also open it in an editor here in Adobe Express. So first I'm just going to download it and open it in an editor to show you how will that look like or what will happen if you do that one. So now once you have done that, you added that as what you have added that in your project here in Adobe. So you can just add more details or different styles and designs for your project if you want to. So for example, you're creating a menu as for example this one. So you can just do or select from the templates that might be applicable to your project. And but what you can also do is to add this to another project. So you can utilize the downloaded version of your QR code. So I'm just going to access the QR code from my download fields right here. So I'm just going to drag and drop it onto my project and resize it and resize the QR code and place it on the project or where I want it. It's going to put it in the center part. There you go. So as you can see, I have now created and added a QR code using Adobe Express. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.